Do 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 dee do 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 do.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Please welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle, and today you know it's gonna be something about some hair. So with this video I wanted to do it a little bit differently. I installed this wig already and I'm just wanting to, you know, define these curls with some product. But before all of that, I'm gonna give you the details about this unit and a little bit of a comparison with another unit that you guys probably have already seen or you're about to see after this video. Either way, I'm doing a little bit of a comparison for you guys. So this wig is from Nadula Hair Company. I've tried many textures from this company, so I'm gonna leave a playlist at the top, and everything that I'm about to mention, the details and the website to get this specific wig is gonna be down in the description box. So I'm gonna be looking at my phone because I wrote some things down. First, I wanna just say that this is a brown balayage unit. It's 24 inches, it's WATERWAVE, and it's 150% density. And I wanted to do a little bit of a comparison with the same type of wig but from a different company. It's from Beauty Forever Hair Company, and I will say some of the differences is that this wig is longer. This WATERWAVE texture from Nadula Hair is longer. They're both 24 inches, but this one's longer, and that's because the curls are a little bit looser in this unit. It really screams more of a WATERWAVE texture than the other one, but they both do have the same coloring, which is really nice, and they have the same level of frizz. Okay, so this is exactly why I want to use a product and this hair to basically define the curls. So I'm going to be using Maui Moisture Hair Care. I use this really with all of my wigs that I want to define and my own hair, so we're gonna be using that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take down my hair so you guys can see the frizz that I'm talking about, and this was exactly how the other unit was as well. So you can see the frizz. You can definitely see the frizz. The hair is still pretty though. It's really pretty. It's just I want to define these curls a little bit, so I am gonna go ahead and start refreshing these curls and using product, and I will come back to talk to you guys when I'm all done. Okay, so I'm done refreshing this entire unit, and I just wanted to quickly come and tell you guys something before, you know, I step away and let it dry. So, I put these clips right here at the top with just like this portion of the hair because I like there to be more volume right there. So if I did not do that and just had the hair laying down like you see on the sides, it'll be more flatter, and I wanted to create more volume. So that's something that I do just to add a little bit more volume when I'm refreshing these curls. It's just to leave this middle part up, especially if you're planning on doing like the flip over or something like that. Give it a try. All right, so I'm gonna let this hair dry. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. If it takes too long, then I'm going to diffuse it. So I'll let you guys know when I'm back. All right. Alright y'all, so I am done drying this hair. I did go ahead and use my Revlon diffuser to quicken the process up, just for the video's sake while I still have sunlight. But I will say it looks so good. It definitely got really defined. There's some frizz like still right here that's happening, so I would use more of this product in the back next time that I do this, but I definitely think this does work. The curls look so pretty. Like, you can definitely see the curl pattern minus all of the frizz. The frizz was really not doing this wig any justice. Like, I definitely will highly suggest that if you're thinking about getting this wig, definitely buy some type of product. If you guys are wondering where I got this from, you can get it from your drugstore, or if you don't want to go into a store, I have it in my Amazon store, so I'm gonna link that down in the description box for you guys. When I was using the blow dryer, I made sure to put it on the medium setting, not the highest setting. All right, so the last thing that I want to say is that if I had to choose between this texture or from this company and that texture from the other company, I would choose this one just because of the length, because both say that they're 24 inches and this one is longer. And I know I mentioned that the other one had a tighter curl. This is a more looser curl when it was not defined and diffused. So I would definitely choose this one. It's just my preference. You guys can choose whatever you want to choose if you're thinking about buying one of these types of wigs. So I'm gonna end the video here because my dogs are starting to bark and y'all don't need to hear all of that in this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in my next one. Bye.
Do 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 dee do 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 do. Boy, I know this might seem strange, but let me know if I'm out of order for stepping to you this way, 'cause I had